Hala, may ticket ako na pulot. And that's for the Hogwarts Express. And wait, here's the platform 9 and 3/4. Baka maiwan tayo ng train. Tara, highlighters, let's go back to Hogwarts. Only at SM Cinema. They're going to feature the first 4 movies from August 16 to 17 and the last 4 movies from August 30 to 31. Kahit anong house kayo, welcome kayo dito. By the way, Team Hufflepuff here. At mas feel mo talaga na nasa Harry Potter universe ka with this limited offering na butterbeer and butterbeer jelly beans. Actually, hindi siya alcoholic drink, though inspired kasi siya ni J.K. Rowling from the past, which is called buttered beer. Kaya in short, pwede rin sa kids. So, kamusta yung lasa? Sa totoo lang, medyo lasang beer yung first sip mo. Or placebo effect lang to. Basically, the main ingredient is butterscotch, which is made out of butter and brown sugar. Yung lasa niya parang naglalaban na Voldemort and Harry Potter. I mean, butter and caramel. And yes, masarap naman siya. So, alam niyo yung chismis highlighters ha. See you at SM Cinema!